Hi everybody, and welcome to our training video on terminating or ending eligibility for subscriber and benefits 24/7. And again, as your presenter today, my name is Debbie Crumples, and I'm a member of the Outreach and Training Unit within the Employee and Retiree Benefits Division. So first, here are those important reminders again that the preferred web browser for logging into Benefits 24/7 is Chrome. And here's a link that will take you to the Benefits 24/7 training environment. Because for now, it is only a training environment until the live version of Benefits 24/7 is available on the PEBB Benefits Administrator website in early May. Okay, as you can see, I am logged in again as a benefits administrator with the Department of Ecology. So to get this demonstration started, I am going to go ahead and take an employee who is currently working for the Department of Ecology and end their PEBB coverage because they are leaving their employment. So I will go ahead and walk you through that. So I will go ahead and click on Manage Subscribers. We're going to work with an employee with the last name of Hall, so we'll do a search for this employee, and there she is, Cindy Hall. So I will go ahead and click next to her name and click on Manage the Associated Subscriber. So the first thing that I would like to do is come down here to these tabs, and I'm going to show you this employee's current coverage. So I'll click on this statement of insurance. And as you can see, she is currently enrolled in benefits starting 12/1 of 2022. And here's her medical plan and her dental plan. So that's where she's at currently. But we're going to go in back to her dashboard here, and we need to go ahead and end her employment. So we're going to go ahead and click on the eligibility tab. And we are going to come down the screen just a little bit. And as you can see, there is a box for terminating or transferring this subscriber. So we are going to click on this box here to find out all of the options we have available to go ahead and end somebody's benefits. So in this instance, we're going to go ahead and say her employment is ending. And we're going to say her termination effective date, her last day of work is going to be today, which is April the 7th, 2023. This little box about the date is going to come up about that lower limit period. If you know that that date is good, we're going to just go ahead and click on Submit Changes. But here is a message saying, are you sure that you want to terminate this employee's coverage? Because this is the primary subscriber on the account, and if they have any dependents enrolled, that is going to terminate their coverage as well. So it's just kind of a heads up to make sure this is what you want to do. So I do, so I'm going to go ahead and submit changes and submit changes again. And it's now going to let you know that the benefit end date with the PEBB program is April the 30th, 2023, which you know is correct, because when an employee leaves their employment and in the middle of the month, doesn't really matter which date they leave, but their benefits will end at the end of that calendar month. So that is good. That's really all that you need to be doing. So I'm going to go back to the employee's dashboard. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull up that current coverage and their statement of insurance. And now you'll see that at the end of April, all of their coverage will end. So I'll go ahead and click out of that. I will go back up the page to the administrator's dashboard. Okay, so the next example that I wanted to do was to go ahead and end a current employee's eligibility due to being placed on approved leave without pay. So this employee is going to be from the Department of Ecology again. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Manage Subscribers tile. I am going to do a search for this employee with the last name of Hansen, and here that employee is. I'll go ahead and click next to her name and then click on Manage this subscriber. So again, I am going to go out to this employee's current coverage tab first and then click on that statement of insurance, because before I put them on approved leave without pay, I just want to see what their enrollment is. So yes, the employee is enrolled in medical and dental, and here are their plans, and they were effective 12/1. So I'm going to go ahead and close that out. I am going to now go to this Employees Eligibility tab. I will come down the page a little bit, and again in this Terminate or Transfer Subscriber area, I'm going to click on this box, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Approved Leave Without Pay. So I am terminating eligibility for this employee due to this reason. And the termination effective date is always going to be the last day that the employee worked before this event took place. So I'm going to say that this employee is going to be terminating their coverage like today, April the 10th, 2023. This is their last day working before they go on that approved leave without pay. I know that date is good, so this error message is fine. I'm going to go ahead and click on Submit Changes and then click on Submit Changes again. And it's going to show you that this employee's benefits will end on April the 30th of 2023. So now I'm going to go back out and I will come up to the employee's dashboard and I will come to their current coverage tab and click on that statement of insurance. And as you can see, the system recognizes that her benefits are going to end on April the 30th. So I will go ahead and close out of that. Okay, so now I will go back up to the administrator's dashboard. And just keep in mind that anytime an employee is losing eligibility for any other reason, the one I demonstrated was for the approved leave without pay, but there were a whole host of other options there, just letting you know that this is how you would go ahead and end someone's eligibility. As far as restoring eligibility, that will be covered in another video. Okay, so now that you know how to terminate or end eligibility for a subscriber in Benefits 24/7, here are those resources again in case you have any questions about the application. So first, you can send us your questions through the HCA support portal, and just be sure that when you create your ticket that you're selecting the Benefits 24/7 online enrollment system as your inquiry type. You can also reach out to one of our team members at the number that's listed here. And even though this is not yet available, there will be coming soon a link to a benefits administrator user guide for the application. And finally, we are continuing to create and post additional detailed training videos as they relate to Benefits 24/7. And just know that the user guide and the videos will be located on the PEBB Benefits Administrator website once they are available. So that wraps up our video training on terminating or ending eligibility for a subscriber in Benefits 24/7. So thank you again for watching.